In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Amazon account password in just 5 minutes. Now let's face it, with the plethora of passwords we all have to remember, it's not uncommon to forget one every now and then. So if you're having trouble remembering your Amazon account password, don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through a simple way to find it. First off, it's important to note that Amazon itself does not offer a direct way to view your password. So if you're on Amazon's website thinking you'll see your password, that's not going to happen. Instead, we need to make use of your web browser's saved login credentials feature, specifically through Google Chrome, which many people use to manage their passwords. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, you'll want to locate your account profile, typically found in the top right corner of the browser window. It might look like a circle or an icon with your picture if you've uploaded one. Click on it to access more options related to your Google account. After clicking on your profile, the next step is to click on Manage Your Google Account. This option allows you to dive into your account settings where you can handle various security and personalization choices. Once you are in your Google account, navigate to the section labeled Security. This step is crucial as it's where you manage how your account interacts with other apps and services. Within the security section, look for the area that deals with third-party app access. Here, you'll see something labeled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Click on this option to continue. Now, what you're looking for is the specific connection to Amazon. You should see a list of apps and services that have access to your account, and Amazon will be among them. Click on Amazon to proceed. At this point, you'll see various details related to Amazon. Look for the eye icon, which is commonly used to represent password visibility. By clicking on this icon, you can view your saved Amazon password. Remember to make sure that you're in a private setting when doing this to keep your information secure. And there you have it, that's all it takes to see your Amazon account password. Remember that managing passwords is an important aspect of online safety, so take advantage of password managers and two-factor authentication for added security. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.